Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change theme in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to wallpaper and style. Here you go to themes. And then update Galaxy themes. Click on update. Click OK. Wait few minutes. Yes, it has been updated now. Click on themes again. Several themes will be now appeared. These are all the featured themes. Okay, select any theme. Click on top and you can only select top free. Click on top free. Okay, select top. See here, select top. Then here you go to select free, and all free themes will be available here. Just select any one. I would like to select this theme and click on download. It will be downloading. Just wait few seconds. Yes, it has been downloaded, and click on apply. Theme is applying now. Just wait. Yes, theme has been changed to what I have downloaded. Wow, what a beautiful theme. To bring back your original default theme, go to the settings again and go to display. Go to themes, and here you go to select my stuff here, and default will be available here. Just select and click on applying theme. So in this way also you can bring back default original theme for your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.